Let's take a moment and walk through the CollisionLink Broker order process for repairers in 4 easy steps. Step 1. The OEC team triages jobs as either a total loss or parts conquest when an estimate is received. OEC receives estimates automatically from the body shop estimate system and then interprets the estimate using OEM electronic parts catalogues to access part numbers and quantities required per OEM repair instructions. A quote is then prepared and emailed to you. Step 2. Once the repairer receives the quote from OEC, the repairer must respond by email to inform OEC that they would like to 1. Order the quoted parts, or 2. Offer feedback or additional details. This step, Step 2, is critical and worth repeating. Once you sign up for CollisionLink Broker and receive a quote from OEC, it's very important that you respond to the quote. The OEC team will take care of the rest. Step 3. Once OEC receives order confirmation from the repairer, OEC converts the quote into an order. This order is sent to both the repairer and the dealer at the agreed CollisionLink Broker pricing. Step 4. The dealer provides the ordered parts to the repairer. With CollisionLink Broker, repairers also get the benefit of all orders being placed at the repairer's preferred dealer. This allows repairers to fit more OEM genuine parts and leverage parts validation through the manufacturer's electronic parts catalogues, ensuring first-time fit, reduce key-to-key times, and benefit from OEM warranty. If you've not received communication from us and require assistance to fit more OEM genuine parts, please do not hesitate to contact us. If you'd like to learn more about the OEC CollisionLink Broker solution, visit OEConnection.com.